The unprecedented number of refugees and internally displaced persons is commonly and aptly referred to as a humanitarian crisis, but it is also a human rights catastrophe.
The traditional solutions just aren't working, and systems are being strained, pushed to the breaking point. Education is one of them, the health sector, water and sanitation, physical protection. Systems are being strained so that we have to find a new way to assist refugees and other uprooted people, and to do so better and to do it at scale.
Data sources overall are fairly weak.
These challenges are not ending. We are receiving millions of refugees every day, and very few people are willing and able to solve them.
I do myself feel that having more academics participate in those processes would be hugely beneficial to moving the entire humanitarian sector forward.
I do think that there is a need to really be ambitious, work together, rely on civil society resources, scientific resources, and look for that kind of quantum leap that I think we need, rather than a few of us here and there working with fairly limited means.
For people to exercise rights, they need to have the wherewithal to do that. They need to be healthy, certainly, but they need internet connectivity and what are now called e-identities, so that they can open up bank accounts and have money transferred. We need solar power in refugee camps for people to undertake livelihoods activities. So the groundwork upon which rights could grow depends on the work of scientists getting involved in really addressing the problems refugees are facing.
At the request of UNHCR, we began working with a European operations cell last year and developed a prototype for a tool that is monitoring social media across Europe in multiple languages to recognize xenophobic speech related to refugees.
Technology is not going to solve the problem, but it can amplify what is out there already. We won the Google Impact Challenge, and this is for a project that we're developing that builds on what we did in Jordan and Turkey. And the idea here is that what we're trying to do is build an app for newcomers coming to Canada in order to help personalize the experience that they would have.
There are ways of including let's say, the do no harm principles in these kind of development processes. And we have a principle where every single team working on a project would have one person in the team that works on the ethical part of data use.
We've got to start hearing from refugees about what they think they need to carry on their lives.
Down on the ground, it is possible to help, and we benefit from that help in lots of ways. I myself am the child of people escaping conflict.
There is a talent and there is an obstacle, a serious obstacle that I faced, and just because of one person that made a radical decision and actually affected entirely my path, basically, I'm here with you, and I'm an assistant professor at MIT.
One of our main goals in hosting this event has been to forge connections between people who are actively working on these issues and to inspire others to contribute their efforts to helping find solutions. I hope that this community of concerned individuals with a will to act, continues to grow.